Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf shank full guide. Square your stance by aligning feet, hips, and shoulders parallel to the target line. Maintain a slightly wider stance for stability. Focus on a neutral grip to prevent flipping and excessive face rotation. Keep hands relaxed. Practice a controlled takeaway that keeps the club head outside your hands for the first part of the swing, avoiding inside path starts. Start by diagnosing the root cause, which is usually setup or early swing path issues. Video a slow motion swing to spot hosel direction and where the club head travels relative to your hands. Notice if your hands lead the club or if the shaft points toward the ball on takeaway. Fixing these early motion faults prevents repeated shanks and builds a reliable swing groove. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos for you. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth makes a great read while reflecting on practice habits. Consider grabbing it through the link in the description. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Drill work beats mystery fixes. Commit to repeatable movements with intent. Use toe tap and alignment stick drills to keep the club head outside your hands on takeaway and preserve a neutral plane. Practice with a tee near the heel to discourage hosel contact and focus on smooth acceleration through impact. Small, consistent reps create muscle memory that transfers directly to course shots under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.